Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Monday, the 11th of March. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened on the final session of last week. Of course, we had non-farm payrolls was the major data to be released on Friday. The average hourly earnings and the unemployment rate were both up on the forecast, but the big news was that the job number itself missed the mark dramatically, with only 20,000 new jobs being added compared to the 180,000 that was forecasted. This, of course, negatively impacted the US dollar, with the currency pretty much dropping against all its major counterparties. The other major data which was released at the same time came from Canada. It was also the employment numbers and the unemployment rate. Now, in contrast to the US data, from Canada, it's their best labour market data to kick off a year since 1981, with 55.9 thousand new jobs being created compared to 0.6 that was forecasted. Canadian dollar did have a strong day as a result of that data. That was pretty much all that happened on Friday, so let us now jump into our chart of the day. Incidentally, Friday's chart of the day is still in play. Okay, so just if you've got it in your hot list, make sure that you're keeping it there. Let's see if the market does approach that support line that we were looking at. This morning's chart of the day is the Aussie US dollar on a 4-hour time frame. Now, this one, I haven't done a trend-based chart for a little while, but I saw this one looked really nice. On a 4-hour time frame, we can see that we are clearly in downtrend for the Aussie dollar. Markets coming down, pulling up, coming down, pulling up, and has pulled up another time here. It's produced a high candle right here where I'm marking with my cursor, and the candle which completed on Saturday morning has finished as an inside candle. Now, at the time of this recording, the market is still closed, so what we're looking for when the market opens this morning, if it opens inside this range, look, if it gaps all the way down already, the opportunity for the trade may already be too far gone. You make your own decision to see if you feel that it's still there. Of course, if it opens higher than the high of the inside candle, should I say, then of course we've broken on the wrong side, so that's also not valid. So we really want it to open in this vicinity over here, and then what we would be looking for is a break on the downside, and then that would be our trigger for the trade. Now remember, it is a 4-hour time frame, and as soon as the market opens, it could trigger pretty much straight away, so make sure that you keep an eye out on that. Now the market opens at 9 a.m. Sydney time, and let's see if we can trigger something there on the Aussie dollar. So that is our chart of the day, Aussie dollar 4-hour time frame. What's on the card for the session which is about to kick off? We have at 10 o'clock this morning from the US, Fed Chair Powell will be speaking, and then later tonight at 11:30 from the US again, we have the core retail sales numbers which are due. That pretty much wraps up the data for the session. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll send out a special email to most of you that I have your details. Platinum Live Trading Room, I'm opening that up this evening at 7 p.m. Sydney time. Feel free to come in. We'll be trading live, having a look at a few things, a couple of strategies, so look forward to seeing you this evening. Other than that, have a great day. Speak to you tomorrow. Bye for now.